Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mastering Excel with Rinku. This channel is focused on lesser known features of MS Excel. Today we are going to talk about fill feature part 3. In our previous two videos we talked about fill feature about number series and date series. Today we are going to talk about how to copy the data across worksheets. So we will talk about fill worksheets feature. Now, there are three ways to copy data across worksheets. One is just right click on the sheet tab, select the sheet and say move or copy, move till the end and the data is copied. You can rename the sheet to get the new data. Second way is insert a worksheet, copy the data and paste it on the desired worksheet. The data is pasted, but the risk here is that the format may be changed. The third way is use the fill across worksheets feature. Here you select the data, go to fill, across worksheets as you can see is disabled. So it will get enabled only when I select another sheet. So I'll select another sheet, the destination sheet, and say fill across worksheets, and here there are three options: all, format and content. If I select only the format, then it will copy only the format. So this is how the format is copied from the previous sheet. Now I'll undo this, I'll come again and this time I'll select fill across worksheets and then content. Now it will copy only the content without format, and that too in text format. It was all date, it has come in the text format. If there are numbers, it will come here in the numbers. So I'll undo it again, because I need the content in format both. So I'll again select the data and say all in fill across worksheets, and this time if I go here, the whole data along with the content and the format is copied. So this is all about fill across worksheets feature of MS Excel. Hope you liked it. To know more about such features of MS Excel, please refer to my book A to Z of MS Excel. It is available on Amazon and paperback copy is available with me. The details are given in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to receive many such features about MS Excel. Please push a like button if you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.